Bonjour les garçons and welcome to the second part of my set of videos about le passé composé. This time we are so in the first video we have seen le passé composé with avoir. This time we are going to address le passé composé with être. As a matter of fact, the passé composé is not always used with avoir. Sometimes we need to use être. Here, you have all the verbs that require être listed. What do you realize? They've been depicting a young man, it's pretty much an old man, that is ascending a mountain. So he arrived, il est arrivé, il est monté, he went up, he escalated, il est entré, he came inside, il est resté, he stayed. Il est sorti, he went out, he came out. Il est descendu, he went down. Il est tombé, he fell. Et il est parti, he left. Il est allé à Gap, he went to a city called Gap. Il est passé, that's the helicopter, passed through. Il est retourné, came back or went back. As you can see, all of these verbs, they involve some kind of movement. Okay? Arriver, monter, entrer, rester, sorti, descendu, tomber, et parti, aller, passer, rester. This is why we are going to use être with this verb and not avoir. Also, you also have two important verbs: to be born, il est né, to die, il est mort. They will also use être. Okay? So very simply, you just need to learn these 14 verbs, 13 or 14 verbs, and make sure that every time you use them, you say je suis. So when you want to say I went to Paris, je suis allé à Paris. If you want to say did you go out? Tu es sorti? Question mark. If you want to ask, you want to talk about a friend. My friend is born in April. Elle est née en avril. And now we are going to touch a very sensitive part of why être, passé composé with être is different from passé composé with avoir. When using être, we have to make l'accord or the agreement, meaning that if it is a girl, a woman talking, a female, je suis allé will take an E at the end. Tu es sorti will also take an E at the end. Elle est née will always take an E at the end because we are talking about a woman here, right? Otherwise, it would be il est né, like here. If we are talking about more than one person, same situation. Nous sommes arrivés, we arrived. L'accord is not just masculine and feminine. L'accord is also plural. So nous sommes arrivés, if I am talking about a bunch of guys, of men, we're going to need the S. But if I am strictly talking about a group of ladies with no man inside, I need to add ES. So this is how l'accord works with le passé composé and être. I hope that this is clear for everybody. Please learn the verb. You have to know all these verbs by heart so that you make sure that you use suis, est, some all the time, and always practice the agreement. This is it for la vidéo le passé composé avec être. I hope it was helpful and it will help you write your PE for after the holidays very well. Merci les garçons. Au revoir.